How you build should be just as rewarding as what you build. That's why there's Autodesk Construction Cloud. It makes the how part much more rewarding. With the power of Autodesk, you design it, build it, and operate it all in one place. Without Autodesk, well, things can go wrong.
Here is the build timeline.
What?
Oh, don't.
Really?
Things that keep owners like her up at night. Unexpected costs, surprise change orders, missed deadlines.
It's gonna be fine.
You said 3 months.
Well, I did.
Or the miscommunications that stress out general contractors.
Why is this here?
Toilet.
Bench.
Not to mention the stuff that can slow down specialty contractors.
Not good.
Like safety issues, unused data, and costly rework. Anything can happen during a construction project. But with Autodesk, your team can make sure the right things happen. How? Glad you asked. Autodesk keeps everything transparent, letting everyone on her team see the big picture, whether they're in office or in the field, helping her keep everything on time and on budget, while he gets up-to-date data to help him solve issues before they start. And with connected workflows, everyone on her team is in sync and working efficiently. This is what construction should look like. And Autodesk Construction Cloud makes it happen.